Hey guys, good morning. Tony here. Today in the morning around 3 a.m. Bitcoin was about to break 29K. Pretty crazy. I do think as of right now, we are gonna stay around these levels. We're definitely gonna stay above $25,000 before stock market opens tomorrow. And I do think that riot calls are gonna be printing absolutely like fucking crazy. I think riot's gonna hit new highs. I think last time I saw Riot, it was like at $13. I definitely think Riot has a big chance of hitting $15 tomorrow. Just in the fact that Bitcoin broke that 25K level, and it might stay at 26, $27,000. Might even go back to 28K by tomorrow stock market open. Absolutely insane. This is a crazy run right now that we're having from Bitcoin, and after everything that's been happening right now, I definitely think that Bitcoin has a really good shot of breaking $30,000, like my algo called it like a day or two ago. I think the bull signal came like the 26th of December, which is yesterday. So yeah, this is nuts. I do think as of right now, we definitely might even break $30,000 this week.